Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Ford F150 door code. First, you'll need to locate the factory 5-digit code, which is usually found on a sticker inside your truck. This code is essential for using the keyless entry keypad. Knowing where to look can save you time and effort, allowing you to quickly access your vehicle without a key. Let's dive into the common places to find it. A primary spot to check is the driver's side door jamb. Open the door wide and look along the B-pillar, which is the vertical post between the front and rear doors, or on the edge of the door itself. You are searching for a white sticker that clearly displays a 5-digit code. This is often the quickest way to find your factory code for keyless entry. If the driver's side doesn't yield results, don't worry, there are other places to check. Some F150 models have the code located behind the rear seat, requiring you to fold it down. Also, inspect the passenger side door jamb or even inside the glove box. Finally, your owner's manual is a reliable source, as the factory code is often printed there. Once you have your factory code, you can program a personal 5-digit entry code that's easier for you to remember. Simply enter the factory code, then press the 1-2 button, enter your new 5-digit code, and press the 1-2 button again to confirm. It's a straightforward process. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.